Alright, good morning everybody. It is Sunday morning, the day after Warriors weekend, and for us it was a bust. We only caught gaff tops and hardheads. But the guys had a good time, everybody seemed to enjoy it. We had great fellowship, great camaraderie. It was a pretty good event. So this morning, storms have just passed Port O'Connor. I am getting the Fish Pro trophy out, and we're going to go and see if we can catch some fish this morning, since we didn't get any yesterday or the day before. So we're going to probably head out to the big jetties if the water's not too bad, and see if we can get some out there. If not, we'll come back in and try some places we tried yesterday. So we'll see how it goes. All right, good morning everybody. Well, today I am back out at one of the places we tried yesterday, and the wind is blowing really good. So I'm going to try a popper with a croaker. Oh, this one's been hit a few times. Well, that means he's got a little experience. So let's see if we can get some speckled trout or something else today. Right there along that grass line. The speckled trout are spawning and breeding right now. They'll hit those croaker just to kill them. But I think I'm gonna have to get closer to that grass line to do that. He's way too far out here. That wind's pushing him pretty good too. I'm gonna have to turn my live well on all the time because those croaker are dying in there. I guess for these guys I'm gonna have to get a bubbler or something to keep them alive. What the heck was that? That's where I wanted it to be, right there on the grass line. Yesterday the guy who was out here said that they were hitting right next to the grass line, between the grass line and the weeds. So hopefully they will be still. I might move closer to the grass line so I can cast down it. All right, you're croaking pretty good. I hope you catch something. That is not what I wanted you to catch. I feel like the wind's laying down just a little bit right now. Something's after his butt. It's probably a pinfish or something like that. That was a flash of silver right there. Man, it bumped right there in front of me. I mean, like right here. I'm gonna take it, see if I can toss it right back in that little area right there. The floats mostly just keep the guy off the ground, off the bottom. It looks like it's just like those little piggy perches hitting it here and there. You can see a little red on its face, and it's not moving anymore. So we're gonna pull anchor and find someplace else to go. Now I can get out of here. That's where I'm going, right there. I got the anchor in. This rope, I have it tied to the cleat in the back and then to the one in the front. This makes a lot of difference whenever you're anchoring, because I can slide this anchor line along the way I want and turn the ski in the direction that I want instead of having it just at this one point right here. It makes a lot of difference than when you anchor it up. All right, so we're in 4.5 feet of water, almost 5 feet of water. And let's see if I can catch something here. We're gonna put it on, leave it on the bobber so that it'll at least float a little bit and move along the bottom. Let's see how many dead croaker I have. Yeah, there's still a few of them in here. Man, all these guys have hits on them. I don't know if they're taking a beating in the live well or if it's they got hit when they were out. So let's toss him out there and see what he's gonna get for us, if anything. All right, let me see if I can get a little closer to that grass line up there. Let me see if my bait's still alive after that seagull took a chunk out of it. Oh yeah, he's still kicking. All right, so we're gonna try that grass line right there, see if we can get it up in there. Yep, right there. Right on the edge of it. Maybe I'll catch a red or a speck in there someplace. Don't you do it. No. Go away. Got your own fish. Go away. Okay, we've made the John and Patty's Huddy Hole. This little area right here has produced well for them. And we'll see if we can get any luck here. Said they got a couple of reds here yesterday. So we'll see if we get just as lucky. Not holding my breath, but I'm gonna try. Gonna put this guy short because it's not very deep out here. Let's see if I can just let it drift right over it from right there all the way over across over here in front of these weeds. Well, I stopped for one more little quick trip or try, but the weather looks like it's moving in. So I will be moving off here in just a second to call it a day and to head home. It was calm a few minutes ago, and now it's not. Yeah, I'll be putting this one fish in and there's one croaker in and seeing what happens, then I'll call it a day. The guys wade fishing have called it a day, it looks like. And all the boats are coming in. I guess that's a sign that I need to get out of here. So I just thought I'd try it. I wasn't expecting anything. Well, that's it for this Port O'Connor trip. I wish it had been more productive, but we had a good time. Took the vets out yesterday, they had a good time. Some people caught some good stuff, some people didn't catch anything. But it looks like not many people are catching things around here anyway because everybody's moving and they're really not biting. So that's going to wrap it up for this video and for this series of videos in Port O'Connor. Again, thank you very much for watching and taking your time out of your day to watch this video. If you've enjoyed this, please do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you want to subscribe and see more content, that'd be fantastic. Please hit that subscribe button. If you have questions, please ask. If you have comments, please put them. Please be nice. There's no reason to be mean, no ugly in comments. I'm open to suggestions or recommendations from anybody. So if you have something, please let me know. And for now, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and stay dry.